Today we're about to use the helicopter to clip in some wires on structures, just to simple it down some, just have fun building power lines.
We're installing some OPGW static wire on the Forest Grove to Athens switch line. The scope of this job and the duration of this job, it just made it more feasible to use aircraft.
We just got the call, get everything loaded on the bird and get on the side of that thing and get to work.
We use helicopter work throughout our system now, getting the lines out of service during the storm conditions and things like that. The access to the structures, the helicopter is more versatile.
Line work's critical in any way. When you put a helicopter in effect, it's not only you doing the work, you got somebody else helping you. You and your pilot have to work together and work as a team up there. Every step could be your last.
The work we do is inherently dangerous, as anybody can see. Once I get in there and we fire up the engine, then it's all business. I mean, everything we do has been practiced and trained and rehearsed. There's not much room for error. Every day is different. Weather conditions can change on a dime. There's still a certain fear factor involved, which I think is healthy. I think if I ever lose that, I think that's when it becomes dangerous.
Of course, I used to be a lineman. I love working out of bucket trucks. I love operating equipment. I've never worked out of an aircraft before, but something about an aircraft just brings out the kid in you.
This is my 5th job with Oncor. It's been a good rodeo, good communication.
I've worked with Oncor now. I think this is the 4th job I've done with them over the past few years. One of my favorite customers to work for there.
Safety is of utmost importance for our company. When you finish a successful project, it's a sense of pride that you are a part of that, knowing that you're helping Oncor, you're helping the customers, and you're helping the ERCOT system to be a more sustainable, more reliable system for our customers.